Hello friends, today we are going to discuss biology portion of the science which is helpful for all the students from standard 6 to 12. All of you know that cell is the structural and fundamental unit of the life. That is, all the living organisms present in this universe are made up of cells. Either they are unicellular organisms like amoeba or paramecium or multicellular organisms like human being. So many types of cells joins together and forms a tissue, and the group of these tissues forms a particular organ, and many organs unites together and forms a particular system, and many systems unites together and forms a multicellular organisms like human being. So today we are going to discuss human digestive system. To understand and to write the answer of the system, first of all we have to draw neat and clean label diagram of the human digestive system. Now let's see the answer. Human digestive system consists of the organs and glands like mouth, esophagus, liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine and anus. So in answer part, in first point, we have to write the names of all the organs and all the glands included in the human digestive system. Now let's see the first one, mouth. Mouth consists of three things: tongue, teeth and salivary gland. Now let's see the functions of each. Tongue which helps in mixing the saliva with food material which we take. Function of teeth is for chewing and grinding of food material. And third one is salivary gland. Salivary gland secretes saliva which consists of one enzyme, and the name of that enzyme is amylase enzyme, which digests starch and convert into the maltose. So we can say that digestion of the food material which we take starts from the mouth itself. Now from the mouth, from the buccal cavity, food passes to the stomach through esophagus. Now, stomach also consists of three things: diluted HCl, that is diluted hydrochloric acid. Second one is pepsin, and third one is mucus. Now let's see the functions of each. Diluted HCl, diluted hydrochloric acid, kills the bacteria present in our food material and also supports the pepsin enzyme. Pepsin enzyme helps in the digestion of protein which is present in the stomach. And third one is mucus. Mucus is present on the walls of the stomach to prevent the stomach from the effect of the HCl. Now from the stomach, food passes to the small intestine. From the stomach, food passes to the small intestine, and this entry is controlled by the muscles, and the name of that muscles is sphincter muscles. And the length of this small intestine is human being is near about 6.5 meter long. The length of this small intestine depends on what type of food material animal takes. According to the basis of food material animal takes, we can divide animal into three types: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Herbivorous animals are those which eat grass. Carnivorous animals are those which eat meat or other animals, and omnivorous are those which eat grass and other animals both. So herbivorous animals eat grass. It contains cellulose. So digestion of cellulose requires much time. So length of the small intestine in herbivorous animals is even more than 6.5 meter long. Small intestine is the complete site for the digestion of carbohydrate, fat and protein. Now let me inform you one thing. The name of this small and large intestine is according to its diameter. Small diameter means small intestine and large diameter means large intestine. And now our second gland included in this system is liver. Here we have some liver. Liver secretes bile and it is greenish yellow in color. Liver secretes bile which is greenish yellow in color, and the storage of this bile is done in gallbladder. Now let's see the function of this bile. Bile converts nature of the food from acidic to the alkaline. Up to the stomach, the nature of the food which we have taken is acidic, but now it has to be alkaline, and this conversion of acidic food into the alkaline food is done by the bile, and which is secreted from the liver. And our third gland included in the system is pancreas. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, which consists of three enzymes: amylase, which helps in the digestion of starch; trypsin, which helps in the digestion of protein; and third one is lipase, and helps in the digestion of fats. All these types of questions can be asked in the exam, like which enzymes helps in the digestion of starch, or which enzyme helps in the digestion of protein. These questions can be asked in the exam, so you have to learn it properly. Now, lipase enzyme helps in the digestion of fats, and these enzymes also convert protein into the amino acids and carbohydrate into the glucose. Now, our next organ is intestine. Wall of this small intestine, here we have indicated small intestine. Wall of this small intestine contains finger-like projection, and that finger-like projection of small intestine, it is known as villi. And the function of this villi is to increase the surface area for the absorption of the food material. Now, this absorbed food material reach to the every cell of the body through blood for the repair and growth of the cell. Absorption of food material takes place in the small intestine, and this absorbed food material is transported to the whole body through blood to each cell to repair and growth of the cell. And the next organ is large intestine. Large intestine absorbs mainly water from the material, and the last organ of the system is anus. Extra waste material passes out from the body through anus, and the exit of this extra waste material is controlled by the sphincter muscle. So here we have completed our digestive system. This is very important question for the exam point of view. You have to learn it properly, and you have to practice for the diagram, so you can draw it neat and clean and properly. In next video, we will discuss other system.